I am Cadet First Class Maria Camille Cabungcal Cabasis of Alpha Company, and I will be joining the Philippine National Police. Currently, I am the Regimental Academic Officer of the Cadet Corps Philippine National Police and the rank 1 in the final Order of Merit of PNPA Layagdiwa Class of 2024.
I am a proud daughter of Mrs. Lucena and Mr. Edwin Cabasis. We came from a simple family with a big dream of achieving success in life through constant dedication and commitment. Before entering the academy, I was a cum laude graduate of Bachelor of Science in Criminology at Batangas State University, Arasov, Nasugbu campus. I decided to pursue this career since it is a childhood dream. Upon learning that I passed all the phases of application, I appreciated this as a blessing and a challenge as well. Cadetship was never easy, but when I stepped into the portals of the academy, I put into my mind that no matter how challenging the situations would be, conquering such trials will further empower me, making me stronger than before. With a firm faith in God's perfect plan, I did not overcome the hardships alone. It is undeniable that the field of law enforcement is a male-dominated one. As a woman, I am aware of my strengths and capabilities, and I am determined to contribute effectively to the PNP organization. Isaiah chapter 60 verse 22. When the time is right, the Lord will make it happen. And this is the right time. And this is our time. This is our time to show to the world how the Academy has transformed us into the best versions of ourselves. This is our time to give back to the Filipino people our deepest gratitude for making us refined individuals of the nation. Being awarded with the Presidential Kampilan Award, I recognize the weight of responsibility it carries, inspiring me to continue to hold into the virtue I stood upon prior achieving these awards. And it is excellence in everything I do.